Okay, here's the prototype passive alarm box, and this is fully loaded with a bunch of options. I've got 2 strobes, 2 different sirens, and some static LEDs. So all these things can be included or added or even added on. There's also a constant LED if you wanted to use it just as perimeter lighting. So here it is on. I have the sirens turned off for the obvious reasons. Alright, here it is with the lighting on and the alarms, the sirens off. I'll turn the sirens on for a second. Yeah, they're really, really loud. And this should go off in 12 seconds, although it's fully adjustable. Okay, now I'll move a little bit.